Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. English. Today, we're going to discuss about the ing form of the verb. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and understand how and when to use the ing form of the verb. Are you ready? Let's read the story. Take note of the highlighted words. Finally, I am here at my grandpa and grandma's farm. It is very beautiful. Here are the things I am enjoying right now. A funny dog is eating a bone. A farmer is feeding the horse. The hens are laying eggs. Oh, they are noisy. How I wish you are with me right now, Dad and Mom. Look at the highlighted words. How are they formed? When did the action happen? Verbs in the ing form are used to indicate an action that is going at the time of speaking. They are the now actions. Verbs in the ing form go with helping verbs like am, is, and are. Is plus ing form of the verb is used with singular nouns and with the pronouns he, she, and it. Examples: Teacher Beth is explaining the lesson now. She is watching TV right now. It is sitting on the bench. Are plus ing form of the verb is used with plural nouns and with the pronouns you, they, and we. Examples: My parents are eating lunch at this moment. They are looking for food. We are answering the tests. Am plus ing form of the verb is used with the pronoun I. Examples: I am helping my mother to set the table. I am singing my favorite song. I am washing the dishes right now. Take note, the pronoun I is always written in capital letter. Let's have a recap. Is plus ing form of the verb is used with singular nouns and with the pronouns he, she, and it. Are plus ing form of the verb is used with plural nouns and with the pronouns you, they, and we. Am plus ing form of the verb is used with the pronoun I. Use is, are, or am plus ing form of the verb to complete the sentence. Take note, the given verb is written inside the box. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Are you ready? Lester blank about his family's outing in the province. Lester is talking about his family's outing in the province. My father blanked the car. My father is washing the car. Razel and Raver blanked the plants in the backyard. Razel and Raver are watering the plants in the backyard. I blank the floor right now. I am sweeping the floor right now. They blank the animals in the farm. They are feeding the animals in the farm.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.